Hey guys, so today we're going to work on a mid-thoracic adjustment. People that are a little hyperkyphotic, I mean, there you go. What typically causes this is like postural stress at the desk or a lot of texting. So a great adjustment for that is to basically roll them back over the edge of the table, which not only adjusts the thoracic spine, but also gets a little release on the anterior longitudinal ligament. So it's a little deeper release. So Doc, let's just scoot back just a little bit. There we go. Go ahead and cross your arms up. Yeah, and we go like that. Just kind of tuck your chin forward. Kind of curl forward, take a deep breath. All the way, I'm going to roll you back over the edge, back. Boom!
Oh yeah!
So, great adjustment for someone hyperkyphotic.